Everyone's worried about AI replacing jobs. But here's the truth: AI will not replace you. It's the professional who learns how to utilize AI that will replace you. Hi, I'm Vamari with Be Productive Coaching, and in today's Lead with Impact, I want to talk to you a little bit about the skills that AI will not replace. Today, I'm hearing a lot of different professionals in different industries wasting energy and time being worried about AI replacing them instead of increasing their skill set and ensuring that they become irreplaceable. And here's the truth: the more that we resist, the more at risk that we are. And so it's all about combining technology with the skills that we have as humans. The skills like emotional intelligence, adaptability, leadership are the skills that technology will not replace. AI is just a tool that will assist us in enhancing them, will assist us in being a little bit more productive. So, if you want to stay ahead of the technology and where we're going with AI in 2025 and beyond, because we know it's here to stay, instead of asking yourself, will AI take my job? Ask yourself, how can I partner with AI? How could I have it work to my advantage so that I can be more productive, so that I can lead with impact? So, if you want to continue to lead with impact, embrace change, build resilience, and leverage every tool that's at your fingertips to your advantage. Until next time, it's Vamari with Be Productive Coaching.